a quick walk around on the 79 International Scout that we have up on Bring a Trailer Auction. The car was repainted in 2020 in the factory mint green color. Aluminum radiator was also added. Rallye carb kit was added. Air cleaner and vintage AC was added as well. The AC does not blow ice cold. Probably just needs a little bit of a either recharge or check the lines, but the person we purchased it from was adamant that it was in working order last year, so my guess is just a simple recharge would fix the issue. But the car is in great shape, very nicely restored or refurbished, newer tires, nice 15-inch wheels on it. It does have, like I said, power steering. It has a factory tow kit, front disc brakes, cruise control, tilt wheel, power steering as I mentioned, and just a real nice roll bar in it as well. Factory roof rack, and obviously this top does come off completely, which we showcase in the pictures. But overall, just a really nice vehicle, well done and very well maintained. Inside appears to be all factory original. Outside of the carpet kit, factory style seats. Center console was added as well. That is easily removable if you did not like that, and back seats in really nice condition as well. It does have a mounted spare tire in the back there, as you can see, and sliding windows in the rear on both sides, and that functions well. Person did add a newer head unit for a stereo. It's Bluetooth compatible, and it does work properly along with these looks like EOS speakers on both driver and passenger doors. Door panels, door cards are in excellent shape on both sides. Steering wheel's really nice. Headliner is in really nice shape as well. There's a few little blemishes, as you can see there and there. Speedo works. All the other gauges were working outside of the factory clock. Everything else was functioning properly. So there's a trim piece here, and the hard top is off, and there's a tonneau top that's in this tube here that we have not installed, have not messed with, but it is there. And then these are some of the hardware for the soft top to store. Hard top, I'm sorry. But like I said, the fit and finish is really nice. Door gaps are in great condition and consistent throughout. And like I said, just overall, just a really cool International Scout with the Rallye decals, and just showcases extremely well. Runs and drives extremely nice. And like I said, overall in just excellent condition. Take a look underneath the hood. The roof, you can see. But really nice detailed engine bay. Like I said, a new Rallye carb that was installed in 2020, along with an aluminum radiator, and just very well done. AC compressor, like I said, it was installed in 2020 as well. That looks almost brand new. So like I said, just a quick recharge probably should take care of that, and give you some nice warm weather driving climate there. A lot of new hoses, and again, well done, well cared for, and someone will be extremely happy to own this 1979 International Scout with the V8. Feel free to give us a call if you got any questions. 616-855-6600.